Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, good people. We are getting ready for this big snowstorm coming. And of course, I shouldn't have waited until today to get some rock salt because Dollar General is out. And I don't need a whole lot. I have some at home. Probably there's 10 cups left in the bag. But the temperatures are gonna drastically fall here in the next few days to highs in the teens, low teens, and then single digits at night. So I didn't look at the extended weather. Usually if it's gonna warm up and say, sorry, 4 or 5 days, I don't get concerned. And I'm not really that concerned now. I just want to have my walkway cleared. Especially for Amazon drivers coming through. See, I live in a village, and it's 10 miles one way, plus to go to some stores, which is why I order quite a bit from Amazon. And then it's like 15 miles the other way, which is the way we're going now to get to some stores. So we'll see what happens here. Bear with me. We'll see what happens here. So the forecast now is, the county I live in is always on the line of either a lot of snow or not a lot of snow. So it looks like 3 to 8 inches. So I'm going to get some gas in this van, have that ready, and I'm thankful that this van is 4-wheel drive. I want to get gas also in, I have 3 cans. I want to fill this 1 can up here that I have. Not for the snow blower, for the generator, because we tend to get power outages when you go through something like this, wet snow, and then everything freezes. So we're on our way to get some fuel in this vehicle and fuel in the can. I filled up the Chrysler today, this morning already, and sit tight for the storm to come. It's actually starting now. Heaviest snow is to fall between 2 this afternoon and 8 p.m., 1 inch an hour. And that should make for a good video down at the Sacred Grove. I could pull this van right in there and hang out if I wanted to. So, this is my report, what's happening today. And I'll catch you a little later. I hope you're having a good day. Make the best of it and make it an amazing day. I'll catch up to you later. Squirrel, get across the road, come on! Oh, Jesus! He got through. Oh my God. I don't want to murder a squirrel. missed a race. There's no reason to cry. Oh, no whining. Remember what I told you last time? If you whine, you're not gonna go. It looks like I'm going a lot faster than I am. I have a camera mount for the dashboard I need to install, if you will. Oh yeah, the flurries are coming, flurries are coming. So I hope this camera on the camera stick isn't too shaky for you. I just wanted to bring you along for the ride. Gas is $2.99 a gallon at the other place I go to, and over here it's $3.37. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. Have a good day, and thanks for coming along.